coming out, he's 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 coming out. It's there.
Hey, what's up, fellas? It's your boy Gaz coming again with another Menlo Club unboxing. For those of you still confused, it used to be called the 5-4 Club. The reason why it's not called the 5-4 Club anymore is because you'll be receiving different kinds of brands like New Republic, Grand AC, so they started to switch it up a bit. 5-4 is still a brand. You will still be receiving 5-4 branding on the clothing, but you're also going to be getting, you know, other cool stuff. And before we do the unboxing, I do want to bring up I want to do an update of the New Republic Chelsea book giveaway. There's still a chance to enter. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe and you like this video and leave a comment down below and follow me on Instagram. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you have a different name on YouTube, make sure to let me know who you are, because or else I wouldn't know. I was planning on giving away 15 pairs. I tried to enter the Menlo Club unboxing contest, which I lost. And you know, I was trying to win those $2,500 for you guys, you know, so I could do a huge giveaway, but didn't win. But since you guys were awesome, and for those of you, you know, that subscribe and supporting my channel, you know, I thought it would be fair to at least do 2 pairs of Chelsea book giveaway, so you still have a chance to win. Like I said, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, you leave a comment down below, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. So with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So here it is. So this is for the month of February, and I believe we'll be getting a cardigan and a button-down shirt. So, which I have a lot of cardigans, but I'm still excited. Well, not as much, because before you wouldn't know where you were gonna receive. Now you kind of do. If you do follow the Menlo Club channel, they pretty much tell you what you're gonna receive for the following months. All right. So here it is. Comes in a nice unwrapping. Let's open it up. So we got a 5-4 long sleeve shirt and a cardigan called the Hector HOML. So here it is. So we got a button-down shirt, chambray, which I'm liking. What do you guys think? Wow, it actually feels really thick, really good material. They weren't kidding that it was gonna be 100% cotton. All right, so, and for the second piece, we got the, I believe, the cardigan. Yes, the cardigan. It's actually really nice, light gray. I don't have a light gray, so you know, this is gonna fit well in my wardrobe. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? And for the chambray shirt, here it is. This shirt actually has some good weight to it. It feels really, really premium. I'm surprised they use high quality on this button-down shirt, not to mention also a nice cardigan. So this is pretty much it. For those of you that are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And like always, it's your boy Gabs. Peace. Now let's try this baby's on.